Hey everyone, I cleaned my makeup brushes today, so I just wanted to show that. What I do is I use an antibacterial hand soap that's known to kill at least 99.9% of germs, and I wash them. I scrub them under the faucet in the sink on, let me try to show it, this pink thing here that cleans brushes, that's a brush cleaner. And I scrub it on that under like hot to warm water, and then I lay them out on a towel and I leave them to dry for like 24, I said 24 hours, sorry. I leave them to dry overnight. I think it was great that I did it after I did my makeup. And yeah, if you leave them to dry overnight, that way you don't have any fuss. You don't have to wait like, oh, I feel like doing my makeup, but I have to wait for my brushes to dry. It's best to do it and do them overnight or do them during the day and let them dry overnight. That way the next morning they're nice, they're fluffy. You can use them um, without saying, "Dag, I wish I would have did it sooner." It's best to do it like in the evening, afternoon to the evening. And what else did I want to mention? Oh, when you're washing these, you got to be careful not to squeeze them too rough because if you twist them, don't twist them. You can squeeze them. If you twist them, they can burst like this one did. It still works, so I still use it, but because it busted, I just know not to squeeze it and twist it as much. But I love this sponge. I love this sponge. It's obvious. You can tell, right? It looked like it has a little mouth, almost like a bishop piece from a chess set. Um, so yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. You leave it to dry overnight, and the next morning they're ready to use. How often to wash makeup brushes? I'm not a professional, so I don't want to say. But if you wear makeup often, if you wear them like makeup like I say maybe 3 or more times a week, then wash the brushes weekly. Depending on how often you wear the makeup, how much product you have stuck in them, because it's nothing like using clean brushes. I mean, when your brushes are not as clean, when your brushes are not as clean, um, it's still kind of okay, but it's nothing like using clean tools. All right, that's everything. If you want more glamour tips, household tips, beauty, fashion, I'm even going to try to do some type of financial and budgeting tips for people like myself that's trying to get it together. And just make sure you hit subscribe and like the video if you like this video. But definitely make sure you hit subscribe so you can stay up to date on anything I post, I guess. All right, have a good night. Bye-bye.